The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Toyota Tundra with the short box. We've just installed the Retrax Pro XR bed cover. So this happens to be on the TRD Pro model, but this will work on the other Tundras with the same short box. So again, this is the Retrax Pro XR. So the XR stands for the different rails. So Retrax does offer different options, but this one we really like because the Rack Shop, we sell racks, and this works with racks. So this is a really great option. It's not that much more than the standard cover, and then you have these rails, which you may not have a need for a rack right now, but if you do down the road, then it's already set up and ready to go. The Pro model is going to be the aluminum slats. So this is the most robust offering that they have, and really simple to install and to operate. To operate it, you have this weatherproof cover. You've got this locking latch here. It's currently unlocked, so we just press the button, release the lever, and now we can manually move the cover in and out. You can lock that back into place, and it's locked in the open position. So it is a canister type, so it does take up some of the bed, but you can see there's still quite a bit of room left underneath. Drain holes in the corners do need to be enlarged, so you will have to drill that. It's connected to the truck utilizing the standard Tundra Utilitrack system. So you've got two mounting points, one on the right, one by the cab. Same on this side. So a really great option to keep cargo secure and out of the elements. And again, that versatility with the XR tracks allow you to mount. Oh, and you can stop it anywhere along the rails. And then, so if you need something sticking out of the back, you can do that with this cover. Go ahead and close it up. There you have it. So there you go, a great way to keep your gear, again, secure and out of the elements. And you can actually still open up the tailgate with the cover closed, accessing your gear. There you go. So yeah, there's a quick look at this cover on this 2022 Tundra. Stay tuned, subscribe for more videos of different rack options that are available. As of right now, Yakima's got the overhaul HD and the Outpost HD, and also there's there's crossbar options that fit along more lower profile. That's it, just above the bed rail, right about here. So both Yakima, Rhino Rack, and Thule have options for that. For those options, go ahead and click on the links in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website where you can read more about that and see pictures, details, pricing, all that good stuff. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.